Yo, what's up, squad? Hey, man, let's go ahead and get into this. Why she doesn't like you. Number one, you're not a type. Listen, man. Listen, gang. With a girl, right? Sometimes a girl might not like a guy because he ain't a type. You know what I'm saying? Listen, man. Girls, they got certain types, man. You know what I'm saying? Girls got certain types. Listen, some girls, it ain't nothing wrong with you. You just might not be her type. Some girls like tall dudes only, tall and skinny. Some girls like gothic dudes, you know what I'm saying, who real into gothic. Some girls only like frat guys, college girls. Some of them only like the frat guys that's in the frat groups. Listen, some girls only like rocker dudes who play in a rock band and beating the drums and dressing a rocker way. Listen, some girls only like big, swole dudes who real big and swole and into the gym. Some girls like the hip hop dudes. You know what I'm saying? Hip hop dress kind of swag, you know what I'm saying? Rap kind of way, who dress like that. Listen, man, girls, they got certain types. So if she don't like you, listen, with a woman, you might not be her type. You know what I'm saying? So listen, pay attention, realize what type you is and what type of women like your type. You know what I'm saying? You got to be aware of this, guys. Pay attention to what type of girls is into you, what type of girls like your type, whatever type you is. Whether you the hip hop type, whether you the rocker type, the gothic, tall, skinny, real big, muscular, even fat and chunky, chubby. Girls only like fat guys too. You got to pay attention to what type of women like you and your type, and what type of girls dig your type. Listen, you find what type of girls that dig your type, because the guy that knows what type of girls like their type, they pay attention. They know what type of girls like them. So what do? They go after the girls that like them. Number two, you're not confident. Listen, man. Girls like guys who's confident. The guy who's confident, right? What is he doing? How come she like him, right? So think about that girl that don't like you. And then think about the guy that she likes, right? The girl that likes that guy, the reason why she like him, what does he show? His confidence. He's confident when he's around her. Listen, he's confident when he's talking to her. He's confident when she see him. What is he doing? He's keeping eye contact with her. You know what I'm saying? He's talking about whatever he wants to talk about. You could tell he's confident the way he dresses, the way he carries himself, his demeanor. She can see that in the way he walks, the way he talks, the way he acts when he's around her, keeping conversation with her, talking to her, not being shy. That's showing his confidence. Dressing on point. Listen, man, what is the confident guy doing? He's on point. He has his hair done, his best shirt on, best pants on, best socks on, best shoes on, cologne on, just hopped out the shower. That's the confident guy is doing. He's dressing, keeping his appearance on point at all times when he what? Step out his house. And that's confidence. That's displaying your confidence. Taking care of himself, making sure he look good every time he step out the crib. That's confidence. Women can see that and spot that. That he takes care of himself. Listen, he believes in himself. He knows he look good. So he dress on point every time. Why? To keep his appearance on point. That's what women like. Women like men like that. They love that. The same way you love when she looking good and her hair done. Same thing. Confidence. Number three. Moving along, Joe. Number three. You're not showing none of your good qualities. The reason why that girl don't like you, you ain't showing none of your good qualities. Listen, the confident guy, right, who knows this type of woman that like him, right, and who's showing his good qualities, what is he doing? So the girl that like that guy, that's showing his good qualities, what is he doing? He's listening. He's showing his good qualities. He's showing his confidence, right? Looking his best every time he step out the house. Listen, he's showing his good qualities. He's making communication with her. His body language is on point. He not walking with his head down. He got his head up high, chest out like a man, showing his good qualities. If he's funny, he's displaying his sense of humor. What else is he doing? He making communication with her. Listen, he's flirting with her. He's teasing her just like he would do with his guys. Women love that. That's flirting with a girl. He's teasing her like he do with his boys. Oh, you ain't gonna make that shot. Bet $1, you missed this shot right here. If y'all playing basketball or something like that. Teasing her. What is that? That's flirting with her. That's how you flirt with a girl. You tease her just like you do with your boys. Your guy friends. You can tease girls in the same way. But with girls, that's how you flirt with them. He's teasing her, showing his good qualities. Right? Talking about what he wants to talk about. Making eye contact with her. Keeping eye contact with her, right? Checking her out, looking at her up and down, letting her see that. What does it show? He's attracted. She's attracted. Why? Because he's looking his best. Hey, man. Listen, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. I got some more hits for y'all boys on the way. I'm out.